guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my unboxing slash review of Trendmood Box. So this is volume 7. I've been trying to get one of the Trendmood boxes for months now and I'm always too late. I've done the early access emails, I tried on the regular times and I still was not able to get it. I tried to get volume 6, which was like full of Tatcha products. Could not get it, and this time I got very lucky, which I'm very excited. What really interested me in this is that she curates it. It's mostly pretty much new products or hype products, so I know they're gonna be good, and it's not a subscription, which is probably the best part in my opinion. If you guys are interested in seeing my review of the Trendmood box and just the volume 7 products and this try on, then just keep on watching. The Trendmood box volume 7, I'm excited. I had already opened and maybe played with a few things. Like here, it has like a scan me and it actually gives you product info, which I think is really cool. So the first thing that I have here, the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, and this is one of the reasons I decided to get the box. I was super excited because I love Glow Recipe. I was kind of hesitant because I don't think it's something that I would buy on my own, a hyaluronic acid serum, since I already kind of have the Drunk Elephant Hydra, which is pretty hydrating. So I was like on the fence, but since it's in a box, I'm more willing to try it since I'm also getting some other things in it. This just launched, like literally it launched the day the box goes out. So that's one of the things I like about the Trendmood box, is some of the products that are actually dropping that are included in the box, you get it like on launch day, so you don't really have to worry. Super cute, and I love the little ridge here, so it looks like a little plum. Cute pump. Deeply hydrating serum with juicy plum and 5 weights of hyaluronic acid that fill each skin layer with hydration for visibly plump skin. 3 types of plums in here, supposed to hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate skin intensely, and over time it has vegan collagen and vegan silk protein to help support a healthy looking skin barrier. I already kind of like washed my face and put on my toner, so this would be the next step according to what I saw on Glow Recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this first. Super watery and like kind of bouncy. It reminds me of the toner. I'm really excited about like hydrating products, depending on how much I like this, if I buy a hyaluronic serum itself, just because it's in like so many products nowadays. I feel like niacinamide is starting to become that too. Like, so I don't know if I need like a solely dedicated hyaluronic acid product. Ooh, it makes you really glowy, I'll say that. It looks plumper, I don't know. And this retails for $42 for the Plum Serum. See how I like it, I'll keep you updated, but my skin does feel pretty hydrated right now. I feel like my skin looks really glowy. And now for the next skincare product, I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this today. Berry Blend Smoothing Facial with 28% acid complex. So this is a new launch by Boscia as well. I like how it has like a little scooper situation. I love these. Create dead skin cells, eradicate dullness, and resurface skin with this powerful facial mask with 28% acid complex. These AHAs and BHAs, glycolic acid, BHA salicylic acid, and the other AHAs are malic acid, apple fruit extract, lactic acid, and citric acid. Retails for $44. A generous even layer to clean dry skin and leave on for 20 minutes. I actually have quite a few of these like peeling gel mask situations already. So before I got this, I actually bought the Ordinary Again peeling gel. I have not tried this yet, but I have tried the TLC Secret Baby Facial, which is 25%, so this is even less than the mask. For sure be a nighttime slash if my skin's really congested. Like little chia seeds almost, or kind of like, no, yeah, like chia seeds like in an acai bowl. More liquidy actually than I thought it would be. I don't want to spill it. I'm excited to give this a try. I never really tried anything from the Boscia brand, so I'm excited to see how this works. Nothing that Boscia has is really just super interesting. Actually, I think I've tried like their peel mask and I wasn't that impressed with it. Maybe the peeling gel is better. Maybe it's a Secret Baby Facial. So I'll keep you updated. Maybe I'll do a video comparing all these. If you're interested in that, let me know down below. So that is it for the skincare items. I know it was like pretty short, but I'm gonna go ahead and put on the base of my makeup since the rest of this is kind of more makeup-y products. So I'm gonna go put on my face and then I will check back in with you guys to put on these products. Okay, so now to move on to
Hi, so my footage totally cut out when I was applying the BECCA eyeshadow, so I just came on here since my footage needed to say that it actually blended out really nicely and created the look that you see on my eyes, and I will touch on it and its performance at the end of the video, but I'll insert some clips of swatches and things, but yeah, could not find that footage anywhere.
Second to last product in this box. This has been such a long video and I'm literally dying of sweat. This is actually one of the ones by NUDESTIX, and this is actually a cream highlighter, and this is in the shade Bubbly Bee Nude Pink Champagne. And this retails for $32. It's really pretty. Has a little brush on the other side. I love these. So I think in the box you're either going to get a bronzer or the highlighter. I actually already have the bronzers. I bought this like a couple of months ago. I'm actually wearing it today as my contour in the shade Bebe. I love the formula on this. It's super creamy, super pretty. You can barely see the highlight, so it just looks like a wet skin glow, which I think is going to look really pretty and natural. Not sure if I'm going to use a brush. Might use it with my finger, but let's go ahead and use it. I'm not usually a typical cream highlighter type of person. Oh, it's really pretty. I'm gonna take the brush just to see kind of like what's going on. Oh, that's really pretty. So it's like a very natural highlight if you're into that. I think I'm gonna like this better on more natural days, but I think it looks really pretty. So we actually have two lip colors here and I don't know which one I want to do. So there is the NUDESTIX Lip Glace, the shade Nude 08, and Plumping Lip Glaze moisturizes like a lip oil, long wearing like a cream and shiny like a gloss, and this is $28. Also, which I was really excited about because I love my nudes, first class lip kit, which includes a nude lipstick called Heights and a nude lip liner called Achievements, and this retails for 16 pounds. Like this is really quality. Like, I love lipsticks like this. So the glossy one is the NUDESTIX. This is the Louise lipstick, and that's the lip liner. I kind of love how they included multiple lip options. I am back. I did my hair and put some jewelry on. I'm gonna try both liners. I'll start with the gloss just because it'll be the easiest to take off. I'm not gonna line my lips because I'm lazy and it's too hot for me to put effort in, to be honest. Oh, does anyone else get these like white lines? And it says this is a brown is how it's described, but I would kind of describe it as like a brick red almost. I really like the feeling of it. I love how it looks. I think it looks really pretty and really fall-like. Oh, I really like this gloss. And it looks like it doesn't stain that much, which is good. Take the Louise lip liner. Oh, it comes off much warmer when you apply it. Kind of reminds me of a slightly darker version of Kylie Exposed. I'm gonna take the lipstick shade in Heights. Ooh, I really like that. Wow. I think it looks really pretty, and I think it's a really pretty nude, but it's not washing me out too much, which I like. That is it for all of the Trendmood products for volume 7. Overall, I really loved the box, and I love some products more than I thought I would, especially this BECCA one. I did not expect to like it as much as I did, but I am for sure going to use this throughout fall and the rest of my time having this. It's just really good and I love it. So far, I really love the Glow Recipe Plum as well. I am actually wearing the Rare Beauty foundation and I was having a time, but with this under it, I feel like it looks so much better, and I'm liking how my foundation is laying with this over it combined with other products, but I feel like this really helped hydrate me and my skin feels really good even though it's hot. So I really like this, so we'll also update with you guys on a future video, but I really like this. I feel like the standout products for me are truly, surprisingly, the BECCA eyeshadow, the lip products in here, the Louise and the NUDESTIX. I just love the color and the feeling of it, and I think all of these just go super well. All of the products, I love pretty much all of them. I can't speak just yet to the Boscia 28% mask yet. I'll try it tonight and update you guys and see how I like it. So hopefully this is good. So I guess technically that is 6 products. I like at least 5 of them just because I haven't tried one yet, but wow, I'm really impressed. The only thing that's kind of like my least favorite in a way is the NUDESTIX Bubbly Bee, but also I'm just not a huge fan of liquid creamy highlighters really. I prefer ColourPop's formula if I'm gonna be honest, so I don't think I would have bought this myself and I don't think I'd repurchase it, but the rest I would. So far. So this is really exciting and pretty much everything I hoped the Trendmood box would be, and honestly I love this box so much I'm probably, depending on how my BoxyLux goes, probably gonna cancel BoxyCharm too, just because I'm a big fan of subscriptions because I feel like I'm just paying every month when I cannot pay every month and then just buy products that I actually like and would enjoy. But I feel like Trendmood, I know this is the only one, but I also like how you can pick and choose which box you're getting because it's not a subscription. If you're like, oh, I'm not feeling volume 8, I'm gonna skip this one, but then volume 9 comes out and you're like, oh, want to try and get it. That's amazing. So I love how it's kind of customizable in that way, and you can either be like, no, so it's like skipping the month, but not, because I don't know about you, but when I have subscriptions, I don't trust myself skipping the month, so I prefer this much better. Con I would say with this, like with the Trendmood box, is since there is a limited quantity, you kind of got to make sure you're on it, you're on the website, you are ready to get whatever volume box. This time I got really lucky. So for this box, I paid a total of $63, which I think is really good, especially because you're getting 6 products, 7 products. It is valued way more than $63. Like this alone is like $45. I think it is a pretty good deal. Like almost you're never guaranteed if a product gonna work for you until like you try it, I guess, but you know they're gonna be pretty good, and I feel like she has a really good selection process, and you know, I'm a big Trendmood fan, so I really enjoyed the box. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this try on slash kind of review. Let me know if you got the Trendmood box, either this one or any of the other past ones. I would love to know. Subscribe to any other subscription boxes. Have you canceled? Do you feel the same way I do? Let your girl know, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.